How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today I want to talk to you about a cryptocurrency that is undervalued. And this might sound a little bit weird because usually we don't think about cryptocurrencies as being undervalued or overvalued because they're so subjective. But today, if you compare this cryptocurrency to a lot of its competitors, it is undervalued. And I just found it, I figured out why it's so undervalued, and I bought a position here today. Now, keep in mind that everyone is different. Everyone's portfolio is different. So I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what to do, but I want to give you the reasoning behind how I found this because this might help you in the future. And there's an awesome way that you can make a ton of money from something similar to this. So let me just explain. If you guys don't mind though, hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe button, I really appreciate that. And there's a link underneath the video to Unstoppable Domain, so you can get a domain name there. So you could get like sam.coin and you can plug in all your wallets. So instead of having people send you crypto to this long address, you can just plug in your wallet and they can send it to sam.coin, and then it will go to all your different wallets from there. And there are no renewal fees ever. You can also go and sell your NFT domain on a secondary market. And we will not be talking about too much news here today. I talked about a good amount yesterday. If you haven't seen this video from yesterday yet, I'll put it about halfway through the video and then I'll put it on the end screen too so that you can check it out. Now, let's get into it. So first of all, I started to use Anchor Protocol. If you don't know what Anchor is, there's no affiliation with me, but they've created DeFi and it's become very popular. So I have money over on Anchor. I'm just going to show you what I have there. I have about $61,000 there. They pay 20%, about 19.5% APY. And you can see how it's broken down, how much money I get every day or every month from it. And you can see how much people have on Anchor. So about $11 billion are on Anchor. So I started to use it because I realized, hey, that's a really good rate. I should figure out how I can get money on there. I felt comfortable because of the amount that is in here, about $11 billion. And it is connected to Terra, which is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies out there. And that's not the cryptocurrency that I bought here today that I think is undervalued, but this is leading into that. So Anchor Protocol serves as a money market between lenders and borrowers of stablecoins. So lenders can deposit their stablecoins on the platform for lending and earn interest on it. The borrowers, in turn, can borrow these stablecoins by providing stakeable assets as collateral. These assets are regarded as bonded assets. Currently, BLUNA is the only bonded asset that can be used as collateral. The bonded asset is then locked up and the UST is borrowed against it at LTV ratio defined by the protocol, which is currently a maximum of 40%. So you have collateral, or they have collateral, just in case the market goes down or they don't pay it back or something like that. Anchor Protocol operates using a liquid staking mechanism. Staking rewards earned on BLUNA by borrowers are liquidated by the protocol into UST for depositors, allowing them to earn a target yield up to 20%. So this is kind of the mechanics behind it. And I got super interested in this, looked at it. I noticed that there's a ton of total value locked over on Terra. So if we look here, it's grown and grown and grown to about $19 billion. Now, the majority of this is coming from Anchor, about half of it. The rest is coming from a variety of other apps. Now, this started to get me thinking, okay, we've seen Luna explode in price, and you can actually see how it breaks down. If I get myself out of the way here, over the last year, the price has gone up very quickly from Jan to now, January of 2021, the price has exploded from just about $1 up to $90. You can see the total value locked did something similar. We had about $3 million towards the end of 2020. Then by 2021, it was about 50 million. And then the total value locked has gone up about 40x. So the market cap's gone up 80x while the total value locked has gone up about 40x based on my estimates here. But what's interesting is you can start going down the line and looking at some of the other cryptocurrencies here. They have a lot of total value locked. Of course, Binance Smart Chain, very large cryptocurrency. It's like $75 billion in market cap maybe. So it is the third largest and it's at 82. So they have 15 billion total value locked. And of course, there's more that goes into cryptocurrencies and their value than just how much value is locked, including burning, future opportunities and stuff like that. But it does play a role in it. We have Avalanche, which has about 11.5 billion. It's also one of the largest cryptocurrencies out there. I believe it's right here. So they're at about a 1.5 market cap or so compared to the total value locked. And then we have Solana that has about 10 billion total value locked, but it's worth about 60 billion or so. So we have Solana sitting at 45 billion, and they only have 10 billion total value locked. But then you go over to Phantom, and Phantom has $7 billion. And where is it? Where is it? It's not in the top 10. It's not in the top 20. It's not even in the top 25. It's around a $7 billion market cap, and it has $7 billion worth of total value locked. When you compare it to any of the other top cryptos, all of them have at least 1.5 times the market cap compared to their total value locked. Now, like I said, not everything is just about total value locked, but you can see it still is going up. We had this initial pump, then it kind of fell back down, another pump here. Now, why is this happening? Why are people putting so much value into Phantom? Well, their transactions are going up because of the fact that they are paying really high interest rates. So they are giving DeFi with yields up to 30% on stablecoins. So a lot of people are moving over there. Now the price has been going up too. You can see it's gone up just from 17 cents or 20 cents all the way up to about $3. So that's about 15x. If we compare that though to the total value locked, looking at about, again, a 30x or so in the price since July, compare that over to the total value locked here, we have gone up about 35x from 200 to 7 billion. So a 35x, while the price has only gone up about 30x. And if you really believe in what Raoul Pal believes in, which is the network effect, as this gets bigger, it should be priced even higher. As this gets bigger, because of the fact that it's a little bit safer, it should get priced higher. I mean, look at Ethereum, total value locked of about 145 billion, and the market cap is much higher than that. The market cap is about 400 billion. So it's at a 2.5x or something like that. Solana's at a 4.5x. Like I said, there are other things that go into how valuable a cryptocurrency is compared to just the total value locked. And maybe you just don't feel like it's sustainable. Maybe you feel like this is it. People aren't going to move more money over there. But you can see that there are a lot of platforms that are doing well, that are growing quite quickly. I mean, 7-day change on multi-chain is 23% in total value locked. Spooky Swap is 25%. Geest Finance is 18%. Scream is 41%. So their apps are growing quickly. So I did take out a position on Phantom here today. Now, this is the first time that I've ever bought it. I don't really like buying new cryptos all that much just because I like adding to the ones that I feel really strongly about anyways, but I felt like this is one that I really should pick up. Now, I still have more research to do. I'm going to be completely honest with you. I have more research to do before I continue buying Phantom even heavier. I like to buy after I understand why I want to buy, and then I like to research even more. Maybe that's not right for you. Maybe you want to know everything about the crypto first, but with Bitcoin around 43,000, yes, we could fall down further, but time is ticking. You only have so long, right? We could easily move up to $45,000, $47,000 tomorrow. We could also fall down to 40, but I want to add a position here because if it falls down, I know that I want to pick up more. If it goes up, great, I got in time. I still have more research to do, but I'm going to follow it much closer now. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I have no affiliation with Anchor or Phantom or anything like that, but there is a link to Unstoppable Domains. They are a partner of the channel. You can check out the link underneath the video to get your Unstoppable domain, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.